Hello, my name's Tom Hugh-Jones with Denison Yachting, and today I'm going to show you a 1987 Cheoy Lee 83-foot motor yacht Midnight Contessa. Midnight Contessa has been with the same family for several decades. They've used her for entertaining and trips to the island, but she would also make a great liveaboard or possibly a corporate yacht. Inside there are 6 cabins and 6 heads, and this spacious salon that I'm standing in. On the starboard side is the semicircular seating, while over to port is a full bar. And forward there is this dining table with seating for 10. The surrounding woodwork, by the way, is ash. Aft and centreline is this access to the cockpit. It's a dual level cockpit with engine controls on the starboard side. If we go forward of the Salon, there is a linear galley. It's equipped with a 4-burner stove, a fridge freezer and plenty of countertop space. Continuing forward from the galley brings you into this wheelhouse. It has radar, GPS, autopilot and Naiad fin stabilizers to ensure a comfortable ride. Just ahead of the pilot house is this large VIP cabin, which is ideally situated if you are on a long voyage. On the port side of the Salon, this circular staircase takes you down to the lower deck and then aft to the master stateroom. This master is one of 6 staterooms found on board. It has a queen berth, this sofa and an ensuite head. The remaining 4 staterooms are forward. There are 2 with bunks and 2 with double berths. Forward of the master stateroom are these split engine rooms. The boat is powered by 2 Detroit diesel engines that put out 870 horsepower each. Providing electrical power to the boat are these 2 Northern Light generators that put out 25 kilowatts each. They were both recently installed. Our last stop on board is up on the Flybridge. Up here on the Flybridge, the wide beam gives you plenty of space. It's shaded from the sun by a bimini, and you have a centerline helm with good visibility all round. As you're going to spend a lot of time up here on the bridge, it's great that it has this outdoor galley. There's a sink, a prep area, and a barbecue. Behind, there's comfortable seating for 10 and a table. At the back of the bridge, there's a dinghy cradle for a 14-foot tender and a davit. So there you are, 1987 Cheoy Lee 83-foot motor yacht Midnight Contessa. She's in great shape and well priced. If you'd like to know more, please contact me. My name's Tom Hugh-Jones with Denison Yachting.